Hey, if you're looking for a catcher's mask or an umpire mask, this Champions Pro mask is a really good one. This is made out of carbon steel, so it is able to take that impact that those baseballs can deliver. The padding in here, very nice cushion to it. You can see it's nice and thick. It has that padding all across here for the forehead and then for the jaw and chin line right here. I like how it has the extra pieces that come out to help cover the ears. This can easily be worn on top of a baseball cap or any other type of cap if you're going to be umping a game, or it could fit right over the catcher's helmet as well. The straps are adjustable in 3 different areas. You have it where you can tighten or loosen it here on this side and this side as well. It has these nice nylon straps here. And as you can see here, it fits very nicely. Also has the piece to come down here to help cover the throat area as well. On the throat guard here, you could see that it is curved outward. That way, if you needed to take it off very quickly, it's easy to do that. If you're looking for a catcher's or umpire's mask, this is a really good quality one. So if you're going to be out there umping some games this spring and summer, I highly recommend it.